Hello everybody. Yes, I'm back. I know it takes so long to upload videos. I'm so sorry. Okay, frequently asked question. I'm going to answer that. It's one question every time over and over, and I'm going to show you how I make my chickpea flour. I have my jar of chickpeas. When I need to make flour, sorry for the background. My dog is so noisy. I take a cup of chickpeas, just like that, a cup, the whole chickpea, and I pour it in the blender and I blend it dry. No liquid added, nothing. Dry, and I blend it into flour. That's what I do. I just pour it in there. Sorry, I might drop. It goes in there and then blend it. Close it and blend it. You have to do it a good while. Shake it a bit so all is even. All is blended equally. You might need a strong blender to make it into finer flour. If you have a mill, great. If you don't, well, we use this. And I just, use a sieve, and then I just take whatever's left over, big chunks, and then I blend that again. So let me blend this up. All right, so there we go. Noisy. Okay, so we have it here. Some fell inside the bowl already. Pour it in there. I don't mind if it's a little bit lumpy, but for those that really want it fine, well, this is just one blend. And for me, there is a tiny little bit of lump. For example, here, I felt one. This one is a little bit big. Now, what you need to do is use one of these things, sieves or a stainless steel one, whichever one you have, put it on there, and then whatever's left on there will be the bigger chunks, right? And then you can reblend that again. So that will help you pick up all the thicker ones. And that's simple as it is, how you make chickpea flour. Now, the important question I get is, when it comes to the video of making those firm tofu style or firm cheese, like those ones, you cannot use cooked chickpea. This here we did is raw chickpeas. The only way it will work out is by using raw chickpeas. That's the only way. Raw. It has to be raw. Blend it up, make it into flour, then you do the process. Follow exactly how I make it. Do the same thing. Okay, that's the only way it will come out firm like that. It will not work with cooked chickpeas or canned chickpeas. Sorry to disappoint you, but canned or cooked or home cooked, it will not work. It would only work with raw chickpeas. Okay, my friends. So yes, that was all that I wanted to clarify. I believe I already mentioned it before in another video. I'm not sure, but I'm clarifying again. Making this, the one that I did, be a vegetarian cheese, that one you have to use raw chickpeas. Even the other ones that are like tofu like or extra firm, the same thing, has to be raw chickpeas, not cooked. So that's how simple it is to make chickpea flour. I wanted to do the video on how to make chickpea flour. Sorry for the background noise. I don't know, it's just it's annoying, but what can I do? I can't tell them to stop. Okay, my friends, so that is it. And if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching, and thank you for your support. Bye.